setup.
Okay guys, just couldn't take this video. It would be too long.
Short signal and
Okay,
queue.
so would have been too long. I just couldn't make it work. Here is the entry, guys. As you can see, the market. Okay, so we have we entered long here on the touch of the second ATR, which is what I like most. Okay, so here you see the ES, and we see 1200 contracts long. Then the market tagged the ATR, as you can see here, to the tick, guys. Sellers couldn't push it. Okay, so we continued in the trade. Market broke up, then continued pushing higher. You see the imbalances here, 1700 contracts. Okay, so 1100 contracts, 660, 518, 1500 contracts, 2400 contracts. Okay, and we see then the ES here is 1200 contracts and the 1100 contracts. So I added to the position on the breakout of the box. Okay, not to the downside, guys. You need to add it to the breakout in the direction of the trend. Then I exited here. It was like about $600, and I just couldn't hold it. I just thought the market can, you know, can reverse and stop me out. So that's it for today, guys. The market is very slow, very slow. But the morning was too crazy. I don't like to trade that type of environment. I don't believe in that, you know, crazy speed, because it's not tradable when okay, so if you do that with real money, you will lose your accounts and everything, because 3 or 4 stops and you're done. Okay, so don't do that. Just wait for the human pace, wait for the ATRs to align. Okay, so we are in an uptrend, so market just retraced, exhausted, and as expected, we always wait for the second ATR and look for clues for the market to continue. Okay, so that's what we got here, and that's what we needed to do. Okay, so let's see here what happened here, guys. So just let me explain you a little bit. What did I see here? Okay, so what do you think that I saw here that told me, okay, the market is going higher? I always tell you the same thing over and over again, guys. The market said, no, we don't want to go short. No, we don't want to go short. Then make this big box here. No, we're not going short.
Short signal and queue.
Market is accumulating here. No, we don't want to go short. Okay, so what did the market do? Okay, they broke the first ATR, got the second ATR, trapped traders here. They thought they were gonna break here, I'm sorry, and the market just, you know, what did they do? They just started reversing. Okay, started reversing, correlation dots. Okay, so there you go. The market started making higher. Okay, so what else, guys? What else? Second clue. Okay, second clue. Okay, remember I always tell you about the high frequency traders, guys. These guys made a triangle here. See, symmetrical triangle. Market was gonna go ballistic to the upside, and that's what it did. Okay, so that's the clues that you need to wait, guys. If you want to be a profitable trader, you don't need to trade all day. Okay, so you just need to hold tight. Okay, so if you're on Skype or something, you can ask me questions. Okay, so I can help you out understanding the signals. Okay, it takes 1 month or 3 weeks, depending on your knowledge and your experience of the market, to understand all the structure that we have here. Okay, so the system works, and you just need to wait. Okay, once it wait, you see the visual imbalance here, screaming long here, guys. Okay, so buyers took control of the market when once it broke in the over here. You see, they were piling in to the upside. So they're still long, guys. They're still long. This market is gonna run to the end of day in the long position. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys, and thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, like I said, I would say you can contact me. I will be happy to give you information, guys. So you can see here, it was a clear signal. You could have entered with one contract here,
Brick setup.
okay, one contract, and then you can add to the position. Once, for example, here you could have add to the position once the market broke the second box, okay, and you would have exit here. It would have been $200, $400. It's more than enough. Or you can would have added here if you have more strength or your account is bigger. Okay, we see 900 contracts long, and we see 1300 contracts long in the micro ES. You see, that's what I will tell you. And the system screams at you, but you need to listen to the system. Okay, so once you get all the clues together, you can make a trade, guys. Else, if the trading plan says that if some piece is missing, don't trade. Don't trade because you're gonna lose. Okay, you need to polish your patterns. Okay, your way of trading. You don't have to be at the market open, guys. You don't have to do that. Okay, don't trade that market that is crazy because you're gonna lose money. Okay, so you will get into a cycle that you know is a dishwashing, washing machine cycle. You know, it's just gonna turn you apart, and you're gonna do, you know, maybe you can do it, but you had bad habits. So those bad habits will always put you there. Okay, once you start removing bad habits, you're gonna have discipline, and wait for the patterns. Okay, markets are really trending these days. Markets are incredible. They they run very high. They can go 500 ticks, even though the ES behaves sometimes like the ANQ. So why is the rush to trade at the open? And it's very complicated. It's very difficult, and it's easy to lose money. So there's no way in doing that. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.